Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use a pulse generator within the simulide simulator. Simulide is our offline simulator, and with the help of this simulator we can create or generate any sort of circuit. So how we can use our pulse generator here inside this? So for it we will go and we will write pulse generator in the search box. Here we can see in tools section it is written pulse generator 1 to 15 pulses. So this is our pulse generator. We have taken it out. Now if it has round about like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So there are 15 buttons, and all these buttons can produce specific pulses. Like when we will press button 1, it produces 1 pulse for us, and if we just use to press the second button, it produces 2 pulses for us. And how we can monitor the pulses? We will go and we will take our oscilloscope. So you can drag the oscilloscope. You can connect its yellow waveform to the Q output. Q dot is just an inverted variant of this output. So we will just use this Q. So now we run it out and we can see that. Okay, now we can right click on it. We will go to the properties. It is written 1000 Hertz. We can reduce it to some less. Yes, we can up to 10 Hertz. Okay, it is enough for us, or even 6 Hertz is enough. Okay, and now we can double click on this scope. Okay, or we can go for to show some extended form. Now this is our time. We can click on channel 1. Now this is our time division. We can go and we can like we can change it to seconds. So we need to move it out like this. Okay, this is our time division. It's just used to represent our x-axis. So we will go and we will, now our simulation is running. Now we will press button 1, and you can see that we got just 1 pulse. Now we will go for 2, and you can see that we got 2 pulses. I think that our time this and our frequency is like less. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now we will go for button 3. Now you can see that button 2. Now you can properly observe the waveforms. Button 1, button 5th, 6th, 8 and 9. Now we got 9 waveforms in this way. So we can produce any sort of waveform, and you must know that we are using this time division just to adjust the length on the x-axis. Means that it is the time on the x-axis and waveform or voltage level on the y-axis. If you want a deep analysis of the waveforms, obviously we need a very less time period. Okay, so that we can analyze it deeply. But for this simple, it is enough that you can see the time, or you can set the time division up to 980 or 975 milliseconds. So in this way you can observe your waveforms. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.